Understanding Print Bed, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special topic to discuss, the phrase, print bed. This might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, we are going to break it down together. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who is curious about English language, this video is for you. So, let's get started and dive into the world of print bed. The phrase, print bed, consists of two words, print and bed. Let's look at them separately. Print. The word print usually refers to the process of making text and pictures appear on paper using a printer. When we print something, we are creating a physical copy of a document, image, or any other content from our computer or another digital device. Bed. The word bed in English generally refers to a piece of furniture that you sleep on. However, in this context, it doesn't refer to a piece of furniture. Instead, it refers to a flat surface. Now that we have looked at the individual words, let's put them back together. A print bed is a term commonly used in the world of 3D printing. 3D printing is a process of creating three-dimensional objects from a digital file. The print bed is the flat surface on a 3D printer where the object is built layer by layer. It is a crucial component of a 3D printer because it needs to be perfectly level to ensure that the printed object comes out correctly. A print bed must be evenly heated and stable to prevent the printed object from warping or shifting during the printing process. If the print bed is not properly calibrated, it can lead to various issues that affect the quality of the final print. And there you have it. You now know what a print bed is and why it is so important in the context of 3D printing. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your English vocabulary and understanding of this particular phrase. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.